Maximize ROI on unused, obsolete, or surplus parts and cores. Clear your warehouse space and streamline inventory. With our hassle-free process, we can work with you on any volume of core or new surplus. No need to sort your parts, just put them in a box, crate, or pallet, and we will take care of the rest. We even offer free pickup on certain parts and quantity. We are trusted by fleets and truck yards nationwide to recover value from unused inventory. Contact us today to discuss how we can help you monetize idle inventory.